Rhinetone fabric, fashion line and needle. Then we have our brooch pin base, our glue gun with glue stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are cutting 12 because after folding it should be in equal parts. So there is a part. We are folding it into 2. Then we are going to sew. We are sewing all the edges. You see there is a space in between each dot, so we are sewing in between. So yeah, you fold it into 2. Then the 2, this one you fold over this, then this over this. Then you sew the middle part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you count 12 on your right, 12 on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So always you need to do double cross checking. When you have an even number and you push the needle through, it will just go straight without meeting any resistance. So our bow tie is ready. We are going to fix it on the base, like just a little. And you fix it. You allow it to dry and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Our bow tie is ready.